Hi there. I'm going to start lining this pan for the bacon with some foil. It's heavy duty foil, so I'm going to put gloves on when I start to fold it around the pan because my thin skin gets cut pretty easily. And then I just leave it on when I am touching the bacon, and then that just saves some mess. I'm going to try to really wrap the foil around the pan so it's not interfering with the bottom of it because it will sit unlevel in the oven on the rack. And I want to keep the grease in the pan. It makes cleanup easy when it comes out of the oven and it's hot. I put some paper towels underneath the bacon and it absorbs the oil, the grease, and then I'm able to roll it up and put it in a bag and throw it away. I can drain the oil off and save it if I want to. I'm rolling this bacon up in both directions. It's been sitting out about 15 minutes and it helps to separate the pieces as I'm putting them in the pan. I'm going to fold each piece of bacon in half. It works really nice for sandwiches. It's already the right size and I don't have to break any of it. And it cooks just fine folded in half. I don't get the thick sliced. I've used it. It does need to cook just a little bit longer. So I sped this boring part up a little bit because it's kind of redundant to watch me fold bacon. But the 24-ounce package fits really nice on this cookie sheet. Depending on how thick the slices are, I might have 3 or 4 left at the end, like I do here. Sometimes it ends up absolutely perfect, but they shrink, so it cooks fine. It's going in the oven, 375 degrees for 35 minutes. Now I'm going to scramble some eggs. I'm going to do enough eggs for my husband, my dad, and our 2 pups. I'm actually not going to eat this morning, but there would be enough for me if I wanted to. I'm going to start with about half a stick of butter, and the pan is already pretty warm. I'm going to use jarred garlic and Redmond's real salt. I think that's fine for the dogs to have, as well as cayenne pepper, which is my favorite pepper. And I found by putting the seasonings in the pan with the butter, it spreads it through the eggs or anything I'm cooking a lot better. My husband likes his eggs kind of soft and moist, and my dad likes his more done and drier consistency. So I try to watch him pretty close and take my husband's out early and get his out. I guess I just said that. Anyway, then let the rest cook. The bacon is out and it looks delicious, still hot and bubbly. Not all of them are stuck together. They're kind of in little groups, except for there on the bottom right. Eggs are just about ready to shut the heat off, and they smell delicious. As many of you know, breakfast is a very fast paced thing there at the end to get everything served. My husband's getting his bacon with his eggs, and I am putting together my dad's breakfast. He wants a piece of sausage with his eggs, and the other 2 are for the pups. So there's my dad's plate ready to go. And now it's the pups' turn. The eggs have cooled. and they love sardines. So they each get a piece of sausage and pretty much split the eggs in half. Those fingers that are in the bowls really help them to eat slowly and actually enjoy their food. I got them when they used to eat, you know, more dog food than certainly they do now, and it really did slow them down. So one piece of sausage each. I'm waiting to see, as I'm looking back on this video, if anybody's head pops around when they know that their breakfast is being prepared, because this is Sunday morning for them too. We have a terrier mix that is around 9, not for sure of his age, and we have a blue heeler that's going to be 14 in July. And she moves around real slow and sleeps a lot, but she's still hanging in there. Sardine water on eggs. Doesn't get any better than that, right? Trying not to pop sardine water all over myself or cut myself. I haven't seen anybody notice that the breakfast is being prepared, but I think maybe in a minute. Because that smell travels quick. Oh, there's one. There's the other one. They are ready to eat. They're so cute. Kind of like sharks circling in water. And here we go. They're so nice. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day doing whatever you're doing. I'll talk to you later. Bye.